AI revolution in agriculture, empowering farmers for financial independence. Welcome to a world where cutting-edge technology meets agriculture. In this long video, we'll take you on an exciting journey exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming farming practices, helping farmers thrive, and achieve financial independence. Join us as we unveil the incredible potential of AI in agriculture. Precision farming. Meet the farmer's new assistant, the AI-powered drone. Drones equipped with advanced sensors capture real-time data about crop health, soil moisture, and nutrient levels. This data is then analyzed by AI algorithms to create precise, customized plans for irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. Smart irrigation management. With AI smart irrigation management, farmers optimize water usage. Soil moisture sensors provide data to AI systems, allowing them to adjust irrigation schedules based on weather forecasts and crop requirements. This reduces water waste and conserves this precious resource. Crop disease detection. Early detection of crop diseases is critical to prevent losses. AI-driven image recognition systems identify signs of diseases, pests, and nutrient deficiencies with remarkable accuracy. Farmers can take timely action, minimizing crop damage. Climate forecasting. AI has revolutionized climate forecasting. Advanced algorithms analyze historical weather data, satellite imagery, and atmospheric patterns to provide farmers with highly accurate short-term and long-term weather forecasts. This empowers them to plan their activities accordingly. Robotic farming. Say hello to the future of farming, robots in action. AI-powered agricultural robots are capable of planting, harvesting, and weeding with precision. They work tirelessly, freeing up farmers' time for more strategic decision-making. Crop yield prediction. AI doesn't just predict the weather, it predicts crop yields too. With historical data, weather information, and soil analysis, AI models forecast crop yields. Armed with this knowledge, farmers can plan better, market smarter, and negotiate fair prices. Market analysis. AI's market analysis comes to the rescue. Farmers receive insights on market trends, demand, and pricing. This information helps them make informed decisions, reducing the risk of unsold produce and ensuring a stable income. Financial planning. AI is not just a farming companion, it's a financial advisor too. AI-driven financial planning tools assist farmers in budgeting, investment decisions, and risk management. This enhances financial stability and growth. Sustainable farming. AI promotes sustainable farming practices. By optimizing resource use, reducing waste, and supporting eco-friendly techniques, farmers can nurture the land and protect the environment for future generations. The benefits of using AI for crop yield prediction include accurate predictions. AI can analyze vast amounts of data and identify complex patterns, resulting in more accurate and reliable crop yield predictions. Timely decisions. Farmers receive real-time and short-term forecasts, enabling them to make timely decisions and optimize their farming practices. Risk mitigation. AI can help farmers identify potential risks, such as weather-related challenges, and plan accordingly to minimize losses. Efficient resource management. By predicting crop yields, farmers can optimize the use of resources like water, fertilizers, and pesticides, reducing waste and costs. Increased productivity. With AI-generated insights, farmers can enhance productivity and maximize crop yields. AI in agriculture is more than just innovation, it's a game-changer for farmers worldwide. By leveraging AI's capabilities, farmers can increase productivity, minimize risks, and build a financially independent future. Let's embrace AI's potential in agriculture and work together for a thriving and sustainable agricultural sector. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, happy farming. Please subscribe and like my video for more updates.